In vibrant Kerala, where craftsmanship runs deep and ambition rises higher every day, manufacturing is more than production. It's pride in motion. Here, every product reflects dedication, precision, and the promise of quality. At Laminar Laminates, every board represents strength. Every layer represents commitment. Built through advanced processes and skilled craftsmanship, each sheet is designed to perform. But in today's fast-moving and competitive market, quality alone isn't enough. Visibility, traceability, and professional branding make the difference between a product and a recognized brand. As production volumes increased, Laminar Laminates needed a reliable solution for clear batch marking, product identification, and brand visibility, printed directly on their products. The challenge was complex. Rough and porous materials, uneven surfaces, high production speeds, and the need for consistent, legible, and durable printing. Conventional marking methods struggled to deliver the required clarity, speed, and reliability. That's when Laminar Laminates partnered with Domino, a global leader in industrial printing and coding solutions. With the Domino Cx series Piezo Inkjet printer, they introduced high-resolution, non-contact printing built for demanding industrial environments. Designed to handle the uneven movement of plywood on rollers across varying production lines, the Domino Cx series features an advanced spring-loaded print head bracket that automatically adjusts to production line variations. This intelligent design ensures consistent print quality while protecting the print head from impact, enabling reliable printing even on irregular production lines without disrupting production. It delivers sharp, clear markings with strong ink adhesion, ensuring durability and readability at high production speeds. Seamlessly integrated into the production line and engineered for reliable, low-maintenance performance, the Domino Cx series ensures every board carries a precise, professional identity, printed with speed, clarity, and confidence. Today, every board leaving the Laminar Laminates facility carries more than information. It carries assurance, clear branding, reliable traceability, consistent quality. With Domino, production flows efficiently and brand value becomes visible on every surface.
With the Domino Cx printer, we've achieved consistent high-quality printing directly on plywood surfaces. The clarity, reliability, and smooth integration into our production line have significantly improved our operational efficiency and strengthened our brand visibility. Domino has delivered exactly what modern industrial printing demands.
Domino, powering industrial printing with precision, reliability, and performance. Because every product deserves clarity, and every surface deserves a signature of excellence.